MGC here with a package. I have no package coming back, but I'm opening this one. It's going to be my VGA cable to plug into my computer to my Xbox, so I can record some gameplays and upload them to you guys. Cover. So how do you open this? Put on with one hand. Like that. Back to the VGA cable, so I'm quite happy with that. And what does it say? Before the electric drives. Yeah, we need this. I'll be making 2 videos up. After this, I'm going to put one up as showing this is going to work. I might do 3. No, 2 actually. Put 2 in 1. I'm sure to set it up, show where it works, and I'm going to show the graphics on the screen recorder I use. I'll open it, but it's really hard with one hand. Alright. Whole thing, guys. There you have the connection goes into the back of the I'm stupid Xbox. Duh. The wall connects in the back of the computer. You got the red and the white. I'm guessing this is gonna be the yellow. I'm guessing that's gonna be the sound. But what I'm guessing you're gonna need is a green splitter. I think I need 2 audio jacks, splitter, one on one end, 2 on the other end, to plug these in and plug into the back of your screen. I think it's right. I think you can see. This is no, you can't. There it is, green. I do have a splitter because I have a rock slot chair and a rock extra. God, I got a gaming chair, so I had one of that, so I'm not gonna buy another one. I'm just gonna use that. And before I'm gonna use my gaming chair, I'm just gonna use the computer lead. But I've done this video. There it is. I'm gonna pop downstairs, do another video, and see if it works. I am gonna upload these all at once. Don't know why. It's really busy with my work. I'll read that later. So my package I got coming back now is one for my PS3. I got with my 2 graphic cards coming back. My super awesome computer, which is gonna be 12 gig RAM, 3 graphic cards built in. I'm hoping my splitter VGA lead will come back. So I could have double screen. Well, I'm hoping I can have 3 screens and one screen for my Xbox. Tomorrow I might be buying either a HDPR or a dazzle. I might buy a dazzle to start off with and then work my way up. I might do a vlog of me go into a piece of wood and buying a one. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Just gonna get it set up and